No found uptown woman fearless. Bad enough.
I'm carrying out a survey on your pipe, sir.
My pipe?
I mean your wife's pipe.
What's your pipe?
I mean the bathroom pipe.
Yes. When you invest in a man, you can't let up the investment, so having a man is like a business. If you don't manage it carefully, you don't make no profit out of it.
Anyone who's ever driven a car knows what it feels like. So mother, if you and I were driving the same car, we both would know what it feels like, right?
I'm pregnant.
You're kidding, right?
You have children, ma? No, I don't. Unfortunately not. My husband is hardly at home.
You're not the son of no ordinary citizen. You're the son of a highly decorated police officer. So from time to time, I will try to extort you, kill you, or rape you. So, we know that three man just drive and shoot them out of it.
John, leave the police force, please.
You're black like whole family.
John, leave the police force, please.
No, she alright.
I am not alright. I'm telling man to be alright, John, please.
You know, see how man like how no make man go no bondo. You see when me want for me look for satisfaction, me no in no lay, no play. Me no pet man like food, my man have to come in like up no go 3 minutes and that will hurt it.
It's just a fear that builds within me every time you touch my hand. And a dread.
Talking no guys, you no talk, me we talk. Right here now, me have enough information for extradite your backside.
Don't you ever dare speak to me like that again. I am not your high school friend. I am your respectable mother.
We're respectable, mother. You just don't let me have to come back up here and talk to you about the same thing again.
Cindy, leave. You no longer live here.
I am leaving, mother, but I must warn you. You see, if you're having an affair with my husband, keep it in the past tense, because if I find that you are stealing the nuts from my jar, I'm going to break your damn fingers.
Tama! The Edwater boss!
Edgewater boss!
Edgewater boss!
Now I want both of you to look on the baby and tell me who the father is.
John, please.
Take your time. After 3.
John, please.
1. Janet,
Yeah.
wipe off your nose. 2. 3.
You're the father!